to the channel, Viper, and if you guys know and you see my last video, V85 kind of ruined this thing right here. The fan is gone, but I'm thinking maybe the firmware kind of killed the fan in the process. Now I'm gonna take it apart. I got a replacement. Shout out to Fix My Oculus. Saw his video on how to take this thing apart and fix the fan. So I'm gonna try that myself. Here I go. If I break it, hopefully I'll break it. Let's try it out. Thing is to get this off. Don't look as easy as he did it. He just like went in. Me, that don't seem like that hard. It seemed harder than that. Why he did it? Y'all watching first time, real time. This is not, have not done this before, so. He said put his hand in here, and he said he likes to clip it out this way. Yep, that's it. That was the top clip. All right, part number 1 is off. All right, here comes the screws. Holy moly, 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that screwdriver set, for some reason, did not work. So I had to actually go get another screwdriver set that is working. And we could continue with this right here. To you, it seemed like nothing, but for me, yeah, it was a continuation. And here we go. First screw out. Now, what's right here? Comes apart, like he said. Just a little. And then we're gonna take this apart. All right, we're able to see now. We are inside the Quest 3. So now we're gonna take this bracket off right here. It's like playing Operation, and I wasn't good at that either. There you go. And this should just come out. So it's actually 7 screws in here. It's 4 on this side and 3 on this side that I found out. And now I think I can gently lift, but I gotta figure out where this is coming from over here. All right, so this is supposed to just gently pull this antenna thing away, which seems wrong. I see it, and it did come off. Putting that back on might be kind of crazy. This up here, this bracket has more screws. And the bracket comes out. Yes, the bracket comes out, and that is the 4 screws, 2 screws, and that's it. And now the fan is here, and it has, there you go. You just pulled out. Okay, this is the fan. It looks fine to me, and I'm thinking it is fine because you know what I'm saying. I think it's another issue, but this is the new fan. Little connections. Woo. Alright, here's a test to see if this fan is going to work. If it spins, as soon as I plugged it up, I saw it spinning. But we're gonna turn this sucker on and just make sure it spins once it starts getting hot. And the fan is spinning. It is spinning right now. So there you go. It works. It works. I replaced the fan. It's spinning. It works. Now I gotta put all this thing back together and we'll be good to go. You know what I'm saying? Woo! What a rush. The Quest 3 fan replacement. I did it. If you got something wrong with your Quest and you want to not buy a whole new one, send it to Fix My Oculus. He's good. If you can't fix it yourself. All right. There you go. Quest 3 fan fix. V85, which messed it up. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.